In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up our customizable FNCS point system, and it works with points for kills and customizable placement points. And you can set to however many players are alive and the points that everyone will get. So I have it set at 3 points for a kill and 5 for the winner. So if there's one player left, so I will get 8 points and it will end the round and go to the next round. And the points are persistable between the rounds, but not between games. So if I start a new game, it will install at 0 points. When you're in your project, you want to open a folder that is free in our Discord. And you want to click Ctrl A and then Ctrl C to copy all of the contents. Then right click the name of your folder and show in Explorer, and then just paste it. And you'll see this folder appear with the assets and the widget, and you'll also have this verse code. So then just click Ctrl+Shift+B, go to verse and click build verse code, and then you'll have this verse class. Drag this into your play space, and then you'll see you'll need some devices. So the first one you need is a stat creator, and just to make it easier, I'll name this FNCS points. Make sure scope is set to player. You can change the color of this device and make sure show widget and list is set to off, and use widget is set to arena points underscore widget. And then go to use persistence and enable autosave and auto load. Then you'll need a round settings device, and check this and make sure round is set to 1. You can leave all of the settings, and you'll also need an end game device. And you can set it to winning activating team. You want to set what to end round. And go in your verse device and go to player points, select the stack creator, first round, select the round settings, and end game, select the end game device. Then points elim is how many points a player gets if they eliminate someone. I'll just set it to 3. Reset each game is if a new game starts, not a round, that the players, their points get reset. So if you want to, for example, that players' points go on to the next game, if they log on the next day, then you want to make sure this is set to disabled, to false. But if you want to set it to every time they join a new game, their points reset, enable this. End game with 1 player, I'll turn this off for testing, but it's just if only 1 player is left, then the game ends. So you should enable this, the round ends, I'm sorry. You should enable this, but just for testing, I'm going to leave this off. Then the levels, that is for how many players, how many points everyone gets. So I'll do 3 levels. Expand all. And then for the first one will be your most amount of players live. So if you want 1 for 10, 1 for 5, and 1 for 3, you should do it in this order. So your first one will be 10, and everyone who is alive will get 1 point. Then if there are 5 players live, everyone will get 2 points. If there are 3 players live, everyone will get 3 points. And then you will also want to add the last one. If there's 1 player alive, you want to set it to how many points the winner should get. So I'll put it to 5 points. That's it. Then you can launch the session. If you get an error, you just want to go in here and select the image 0. And you want to click on here and search the arena points new. And then go into the other image and select the no arena points. When you're loaded in, you can try it. I'll start on 0 points, and when I kill the other person, I will get 3 points for kill, and I have it set at 5 points for the win. So I'll get to 8 points. And then we'll start the next round. And you can try it again. And so it will be persistable between the rounds, but if I end the game and start a new one, everyone will start at 0. So thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was clear enough.